Hello, student. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, Ma'am Tina want to explain about the procedure tax. Jadi, Ma'am Tina akan menjelaskan tentang tax procedure. Dalam tax procedure tax itu ada di dalam KD 3.4. Ma'am Tina want to explain about KD procedure tax, membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks prosedur lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait resep makanan atau minuman dan manual pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian KD 4.4 menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks. Prosedur lisan dan tulis sangat pendek dan sederhana dalam bentuk resep manual. Jadi Ma'am Tina sudah menjelaskan bahwa dalam prosedur teks itu adalah di KD 3.4 dan KD 4.4. Next, Ma'am Tina want to explain about the procedure text. The procedure text is a piece of the text that give us instruction for doing something. Jadi, procedure text adalah sebuah teks yang memberikan kita perintah atau instruksi untuk melakukan sesuatu. Itu definisi procedure text ya. And then the second for the definition procedure text is procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is a shape, a sequence of action or step. Jadi prosedur teks adalah teks yang dirancang untuk menggambarkan bagaimana sesuatu dicapai melalui urutan atau tindakan atau langkah-langkah. Ya. Okay, that definition about the procedure text. Itu tadi adalah definisi dari text prosedur. And then the next, it's about generic structure. Generic structure is number 1, aim, goal, title. It's mean that for the aim, goal, title, it's the text use that how to make blah blah blah, how to do. Example, if you want to make that, how to make a rice, how to make a noodles, how to make a cake, how to make a fried chicken. That's example is that the title. And then how about how to do? How to do example like this. How to use the rice cooker. How to use that the computer. And then how to use that the fan. And then the second, the generic structure of the procedure text is have the materials, ingredients, and tools. Materials, it means that alat-alat yang digunakan, and then ingredients, it means that bahan-bahan yang akan digunakan dalam pembuatan atau dalam prosedur text. And then the generic structure number 3 is step, the way, and the method. Ya, jadi nomor 3 untuk generic structure-nya adalah step, langkah-langkah, the way, cara atau langkah juga, method sama. And then ciri-ciri teks prosedur teks atau language future. Number one, use the simple present tense. Ya, jadi menggunakan yang namanya simple present tense. In the bracket, dalam kurung, it's use that imperative verb atau disebut juga verb one. Jadi for the number one, it is the same. Simple present tense, it is the verb one. Imperative, it's verb one ya. Jadi untuk procedure text itu adalah menggunakan tenses simple present atau menggunakan verb satu. And then the second, menggunakan yang namanya temporal conjunction ya. In the procedure text, we have to usually that we use first, second, that, next, finally, after that, like that ya. That's the temporal conjunction. Number three, menggunakan action verb one. It is the same with the number one ya. Menggunakan yang namanya kata kerja pertama seperti stir, add, pour, and boil, etc. The next, and then after Ma'am Tina explain about the language future, Ma'am Tina want to explain about the procedure text is. Contohnya adalah bacaan-bacaan procedure text itu ada 3. I have the 3 points. Number one, that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manual. Example, how to use video, how to use the computer. And then the second, the procedure text have the text that instruct how to do particular activity. Example, the recipes, how to make a tomato soup, how to make a coffee, etc. Or the rules for the game, how to play the station. And then the text number 3, the text that the deal with human behavior. Example, how to live happily, how to success. Nah, itu adalah 3 contoh bacaan yang ada di dalam teks prosedur. Ya. Kemudian, and then the next, language future of procedure text. Bahasa yang dipakai tadi ada using temporal conjunction. Number 2, using action verb. Number 3, using imperative sentence. And number 4, using simple present. And then the procedure text have the purpose. Ya, jadi procedure text itu mempunyai tujuan. Number 1, to explain or tell the reader how to make or how operate do something through a sequence of action or step. Ya, jadi tujuan untuk prosedur teks adalah menjelaskan, ya, kemudian menjelaskan kepada si pembaca bagaimana cara membuat, mengoperasikan, melakukan sesuatu melalui rangkaian atau langkah-langkah atau step-step dalam prosedur tersebut. And then number 2, the purpose of the procedure text is to explain step or instruction to make, operate, do something. Jadi tadi menjelaskan langkah-langkah perintah untuk membuat atau mengerjakan sesuatu dengan urutan step by step-nya. And then the next, after we have to propose of the procedure text is, this is example of the procedure text. And then the title, do you remember? When I give that generic structure of the procedure text have the 3. Number 1, goal, aim, and the title. In the procedure text from this example, goal, this is how to make a pencil box. Jadi goalnya di contoh di prosedur teks itu adalah how to make a pencil box. And then number two, the generic structure of the procedure text is materials. What are the material to make a pencil box? An empty plastic bottle of mineral water and a scrap cutter, a piece of white or colorful paper, and some paint and some glue. So that's the material of that make a pencil box. And then the next step. The step how to make a pencil box number one was the plastic bottle and then make sure it is clean when you use it. And then the step number two, cut the bottle into two parts. Number three, wrap the bottle with a piece of a color paper. Number four, if you use plain paper, use the pen to make a drawing on it. That's the example of the procedure text. And then Ma'am Tina finished to explain about that definition procedure text and then generic structure of the procedure text and the purpose of the procedure text. And then we have to going to task one, how to make a pizza. Ya, jadi kita masuk ke latihan bahwasanya tadi Mem Tina sudah menjelaskan bagaimana untuk contoh teks prosedur. Tadi contoh teks prosedur adalah how to make a pencil box. Nah, sekarang latihannya adalah how to make a pizza. Bagaimana cara membuat pizza and then have the ingredients and then step. Okay, student, well, you have to read this equation and then the question is number one, what kind of the text is it? Number two, what is the purpose of the text? Number three, mention the generic structure of the above. Number four, how many steps are there to be complete? Number five, what should we do after turning on the bread machine? Number six, what we'll do before putting the topping on the pizza? This is the question from that the text above. Ini adalah contoh dari pertanyaan yang ada di teks bacaan di atas. How to make a pizza. Ya. And then the next. Nah, this is the task 2. The student, it must be read the text and answer question number 1 until number 3 based on the procedure text. Okay, the student can answer that A, B, C, D. Yeah. Okay, the next. Okay, this is how to make a picture. Ya, jadi ini adalah contoh-contoh tugas yang harus dikerjakan siswa untuk dalam prosedur text. Sudah? Oke. Okay, I think it is enough for today. Ma'am Tina have the finish explain about the procedure text in this chapter 3.4 procedure text. Ma'am Tina have explained about the definition, generic structure, and the purpose. And I hope all the students can answer that the question from that the procedure text. Okay. Good morning. Thank you. See you. Bye.